So I just stumbled upon this toolkit called Foundry for Ethereum development, and it's written in Rust. Like, how cool is that?
Wait, what? Seriously? I mean, Rust is all about performance, but how does that actually play into Ethereum development?
Right? It's modular too. They have components like Forge for testing and deployment. It's like a Swiss Army knife for developers.
That's interesting. So does it mean you can build, test, and debug all within this one environment? Seems super efficient.
Exactly, and they've got this feature called fuzz testing, which helps find edge cases in contracts. Like, what if it uncovers a bug in a financial app?
Oh, I see the appeal. But doesn't that assume developers are fully aware of how to utilize these advanced features?
Good point, but they provide thorough documentation to get started, which is a huge help for newcomers.
Documentation is key, but I wonder how accessible it is. Not all devs are Rust experts, right?
True, but that's the beauty of modularity. Developers can dive into specific components like Chisel for interactive coding without overwhelming complexity.
Chisel, what's that? Sounds intriguing.
It's a Solidity REPL. You can write code and get instant feedback. It's like a playground for Solidity developers.
That's actually pretty neat. Instant feedback can really speed up learning and debugging.
Right, and check this out. Forge is said to be significantly faster than alternatives like Hardhat, up to 5.2 times in some cases.
Wow, that's a serious speed boost, but speed can sometimes sacrifice thoroughness. Any drawbacks?
Good question. While it's fast, they still recommend careful testing. Speed can't replace thoroughness in smart contracts.
Exactly. Plus, the benchmarks show that it consistently outperforms others. That's like a solid vote of confidence.
Totally, but I'm curious, what happens if a developer accidentally skips critical tests? Could be risky, right?
Oh, for sure. Smart contracts can be unforgiving. They need to strike a balance between speed and reliability.
Speaking of reliability, Foundry supports both Solidity and Viper out of the box. That's pretty inclusive.
Nice, but does supporting two languages complicate things? Or does it make it more versatile?
I think it adds versatility. Developers can choose what they're comfortable with, but it might mean more complexity in the toolkit.
Agreed. It's a double-edged sword, but versatility in tooling could attract a larger developer community.
Exactly, and then there's the ease of installation with a single command, no heavy dependencies.
That's refreshing. Many tools get bogged down by complex setups. Simplicity can really boost adoption.
For sure, plus the community support seems solid, like Telegram groups for help.
Community is everything, but what if there's misinformation? It can lead down a rabbit hole of confusion.
True, but they encourage users to consult the documentation first, which could help filter out the noise.
That's smart. And with the open source nature, users can contribute to improving the tool, right?
Exactly, that feedback loop can really enhance the framework over time, continuous improvement.
I'm curious about their benchmarks, though. Are they reliable, or could they be biased?
Good skepticism, they've compared performance against established tools, but biases can still exist.
Definitely, it's always good to dig deeper. But if their claims hold up, that's a game changer.
Agreed, I'm also intrigued by their CI/CD support, quick building and testing in a continuous integration pipeline.
That's a big win for teams. CI/CD can streamline workflows and make deployments smoother.
Totally, it aligns well with DevOps practices, but I can't help but wonder about performance in a real-world scenario.
Yeah, real-world usage can differ from benchmarks. I'd love to see some case studies showing its effectiveness.
Definitely, those insights would help bridge the gap between theory and practice.
And it would be interesting to hear from developers who have made the switch. Their experiences matter.
Exactly, so much value in shared experiences, it could help others take the plunge.
Wrap it all up, it seems Foundry has a lot to offer, but it's about using it wisely and understanding its scope.
Right? It's a toolkit that's powerful but requires thoughtful navigation in the Ethereum landscape.
So what's the takeaway? Embrace the versatility, but don't skip out on rigorous testing.
Exactly, and always stay curious. There's always more to learn and discover in this space.
Well said. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how Foundry evolves in the Ethereum community.
Same here, it'll be exciting to watch, and who knows, maybe we'll dive into it ourselves.